Another function new in PHP 5.3 is array replace, which allows you to replace groups of items in an array. I'll show you how to do that. Let's say we have an array with number names. For instance, the first one has an index of 0, so we'll call it 0. Now the second one at this point is unknown. It will be 1, and here is 2. The third one is unknown, let's say. And the fourth one is called 4. So that's the array. So let's say now in your application you get from some source groups of edits that you have to make to this array. So let's say new number names equals, and this is also an array, index item number 1 is waiting. This is going to be replacing this item here. Number 3, oops, this should be a, exactly, that's the syntax. Number 3 will be 3. So this one will change to waiting, and this one will change to 3. New number names 2. This is your second collection of changes. And here we will change index 1 item to the correct name. Now the way we use the array replace function is we define final number names equals array replace. Here you want the main one, number names, and then you just add as many groups of changes that you want to make. So new number names and new number names 2. And let's print final number names out and see what we get. If it all goes right, we're going to get an array which has in it the correct written names of all the numbers from 0 to 4. So let's test that. We'll go into our browser, press F5, and it shows all of the number names, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a function that makes it easier to replace items in an array with groups of items, as you see here.